Alright folks, it's here, the icon, the legend, the rolling palace on wheels, the 2026 Cadillac Escalade. Cadillac didn't just upgrade it, they redefined luxury all over again. Buckle up, because this SUV isn't just big, it's bold, smart, and powerful. Let's talk looks, because the 2026 Escalade doesn't whisper luxury, it shouts it. Cadillac gave it a sharper, more futuristic design with a massive black crystal grille, ultra-slim vertical LED lighting, and a sculpted silhouette that somehow makes this beast look aerodynamic. And these new 24-inch wheels? Absolute art. Plus, welcome lighting animations now greet you like you're stepping into a 5-star hotel. The vibe? Executive, futuristic, and a little bit flexy. Inside, it's a tech luxury fantasy. The Escalade now features a 55-inch curved OLED display that wraps around the driver. It's vibrant, customizable, and straight out of a sci-fi movie. Materials? Think hand-stitched leather, real wood, and brushed metal. It's basically a luxury suite on wheels. And rear passengers? They're getting treated to individual entertainment screens, massaging seats, and enough legroom to host a Zoom meeting. Now, under the hood, Cadillac is giving you options. There's a 6.2L V8 for traditional power lovers, but the real buzz is around the Escalade IQ, the all-electric version with GM's Ultium platform. The electric Escalade offers up to 750 horsepower, nearly 450 miles of range, and a 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, this full-size SUV moves like a sports car when you want it to. Tech-wise, the Escalade comes packed. We're talking Super Cruise, hands-free driving on highways, night vision, and even augmented reality navigation. It's basically the Iron Man of SUVs. The 2026 Cadillac Escalade isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. It's for those who want to arrive, not just drive. So the question is, are you ready to take the throne? If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, subscribe for more luxury car content, and let us know in the comments, gas or electric, what would you choose for your dream Escalade?